Hiya, got a beautiful piece of Louis Vuitton for you today. It's a Louis Vuitton mini looping in the gorgeous monogram. So of course it's got this fantastic looping or loop handle which has the swivel. Okay, and it's a just gorgeous little tuck on your shoulder, under your arm handbag. It's really nice and comfortable to use. It's a beautiful size, it's a beautiful shape. The measurements of this are on the website. I'm about 5'4" and I'm a UK size 8'10", so that gives you an idea of what it looks like in real life. The measurements are on our website. So let's just show you, that's the front. And of course it's one piece of fabric, so the back is obviously upside down, and then the side and the base, and again that's one piece, which means that of course that side is the side that's upside down. So it's got a flap closure with a magnetic breasted fasten. Inside it's lined in that beautiful brown canvas. We've got the main space of the bag here and also one zipped pocket there. Let's see if we can show you the zip pull. It might be easy if I show you it upside down issue. It's quite hard to get the angle, isn't it? So you've got there absolutely LV on both sides of the zip, and let's just show you that. And the date code is in the pocket. Which way do you want to go? That way. Okay, so beautiful, beautiful classic piece of LV. I just think that's such a stunning little piece of monogram. I think it's beautiful. Okay, so the condition of the bag, the interior is in excellent condition. The hardware is in excellent condition. The exterior we call very, very good. The only reason it is not excellent is because there is just some slight signs of wear on the underneath of the handle, which is just obviously the, because it's hardly been, well, it's not really been used. So you've got the beautiful pale patina and it's just beginning to start on that underneath side there. Can you see? Just there. So I've called it very, very good. The actual condition of everything on this coated canvas is in excellent condition. There is no wear to the bottom corners, there is no wear to the base. It's literally just where somebody has held it here, I think, and it's just beginning to go that beautiful, well, it's in the very early stages of turning that beautiful colour that this handle will turn into. So, but I've called it very, very good. I didn't want to go excellent and, you know, confuse you. So, this is our gorgeous Louis Vuitton looping. There is a link to this on our website. If you go to the comments below this video, got someone's coming in the door, but there's not. So yeah, there's a link to the website in the comments below. When you're on the website, sign up for the newsletter. We'll send you a discount code that you can use on your first purchase. It's really worth doing that. Take you like 15-20 seconds to get that sorted and get that ready for you. I've also put a link to our Instagram, so if you're interested in, you know, Armcandy world, what's going on in store, what's going on in back of house, what's going on with the team, come and join us on Instagram. And of course, if you like bags and you haven't yet subscribed, then subscribe to the channel. Thank you to everyone that has subscribed thus far. It's great to have you with us. But if you've not yet subscribed and you love Armcandy, then get in, get on, don't miss out. Subscribe today, set your alerts up, and then you'll get to see all the gorgeous stuff we've got coming through in the next few days.